important. King Goodwill Zwelithini, like his predecessors, make a great show of acknowledging the nation's future mothers and wives.
I'm here to make my parents and myself proud, and also to show the people the beauty and importance of the ceremony, as well as the importance of taking care of our bodies.
While the maidens understand
so mina ngaza last year emhlangeni uzobona ukuthi kunjani ukuba nguNtombi uyiphatha kahle and what's like what is worth it, is it worth it ukuthi like uyiphathe kahle ukuthi like ungalandeli abantu phandle sitade lezinto abazenzayo because these days abantwana bathathwa umhlaba bayenza nje yonke into abanye.
It's dangerous for you to have teenage pregnancy because your body formation and biologically, I don't think having initiatives like these is enough. We need to extend it to schools, that by the time this happens, they then understand the biology behind it. But as for your question is, does this help in preventing HIV? Does it help in preventing teenage pregnancies? Yes, it does, but it can be strengthened. Anything that restores our culture, anything that gives us a sense of who we are and where we come from.
One is absolutely amazing. To open your eyes to new experiences, to see what other cultures do as rituals, as like what their beliefs are. I would 100%.
Yeah, 100%. I would absolutely recommend this because I have friends who have traveled. I have American friends who have been to South Africa, and this is completely different from what I've heard from all of my friends. And I'm very, very, very happy to do this.
Today, the practice is open to the scrutiny of all. The Reed dance ticks all the boxes in both cultural and heritage tourism. If tourism authorities have their way, even more local and international tourists will be familiar